Hey up, Doc, I'm Sean from Sean Beck and Sides, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our first instalment in our small little tutorial videos, and we're going to drop in a nice low fade for Xander today. Fun fact about this haircut, just before we get into it, Xander was growing out curtains to reminisce on his young boy band days, and turns out his hair is flatter than a witch's tit, so it didn't really work. Sorry, Xander. So we've started at the front and we're working towards the back in small 90-degree sections, you can see there. We're going to cross that section in just a moment to make sure our blend line is nice and straight, you'll see in just a moment. This is basically just so it's nice and easy for us to see, and obviously it just keeps that haircut nice and precise for yourself. Sectioning the top of the hair away from the sides, we're continuing from front to the back with those small 90-degree sections. In just a moment we're going in with our 1.5 guard open, there we are, and as we go in, we're going in towards and then pulling out. Hey, pulling out, banter. In all seriousness though, do pull out because you do want to retain that weight. So we're going in with our zero line now. I don't start with a detail, I start with the zero of the clipper because I find the line is easier to blend out. So once you've gone in with your zero line, go in with your details just under that, and then if the client likes the foils, then go in with the foils underneath. So blending out from that line, I use the blade open, which is roughly about a half, then move on to a 1 open, which is 1.5, and then moving down from that, I use a half guard open, cheeky little wink there, half guard open to blend out the line. You're never going to get that blend straight away, you know, you're always going to go over bits, or I prefer to go over bits to get a nice smooth transition. Once you've got that smooth transition from your skin line all the way up to your bulk, I use clipper over comb. For me personally, this is just the best way. Some people prefer scissor over comb, that's up to them. But I use clipper over comb and then soften the blend out with scissor over comb. And that's it. Thank you very much. If you do try this technique, then please leave us a comment if you've enjoyed it. And if you want to keep up to date with anything that we're doing, then follow our socials. We are Sean Beck and Size on Instagram and Facebook, and now on YouTube. So make sure you hit like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you very much. It's been an enjoyable experience for myself, a nice little learning tool for me. So hopefully these will get better. I can't promise. I'll be honest. I'd like to, but I really can't. So yeah, thank you very much guys. Take care. Bye.